guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. Today we are going to continue our story about Stable Diffusion and ComfyUI, and now we are going to talk about styles, or rather why not to use them. So first of all, I'm going to create one simple workflow with SDSL. So we are going to need checkpoint. Going to load checkpoint. Dream shaper, it's totally fine. Then from clip set layer, and I'm going to set -2. That is recommended value for this model, and of course clip text encode and another clip text encode for positive and negative prompt. All right. Now from model I'm going to create key sampler, and now we are going to provide positive prompt, negative prompt, and latent image with empty latent image. And in here I'm going to set value of 1024 by 1024. That is also recommended for this model. And of course now we are going to need encoder, or rather decoder, I'm sorry. And for decoder we are going to need VAE, alright, and finally image preview image, that is name of this node. Alright, and now what we are going to do, I want to create image, let's say, no, not that, in here, 2 cats sitting on a car, first is playing guitar, second is playing drums. And in negative prompt, bad quality, only that. Alright, now in here I'm going to set everything according to my model. So I'm going to need 30 steps, 8 it's fine for CFG. Sampler name is going to be DPMPP2M SDE GPU, and scheduler Karas. Alright, now I have everything ready, so I'm going to run this workflow. Give it some time until it's done. Alright, not what I expected, so second the cat should be playing drums. I have 2 cats with guitars. Alright, I'm going to forget about this problem, and now I'm going to teach you how to add some styles in here. Let's say that you want to have some gothic element to this picture. How we are going to do that? First, go to Manager, go to Custom Node Manager, and search for iTools. And install this one, ComfyUI iTools. We are going to use this one. By the way, this is not the only way to apply styles to your workflow, but this one is maybe the simplest one. So when you install that, go back, and in here I'm going to double click iTools. Let's see, prompt styler. Now what we should do, we should provide our prompt directly to prompt styler, and then we are going to provide output to our clip text encoders. How we are going to do that? First I'm going to copy this, or rather cut this from text encoder. I'm going to paste it in here. This is for positive prompt, this is for negative prompt. Okay, and down here we are going to select styles. Let's say what I want: not cartoon, drawing, no. Illustration. Okay, photography, and let's see what I can have in here. No, there is no gothic kind of photography. Let's find something similar. Okay, I'm going to select something else. Let's go to illustration. Alright, let's go to fantasy. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide a positive prompt to text in here, and you see that we don't have access to this text window because it's not necessary anymore, and in here too, so both for positive and negative side. And I'm going just to collapse this node, say space. Alright, let's try this workflow now with style applied. Alright, this is what we got, but we also have a problem in here. These two guitars look like they're connected or something. Alright, doesn't matter for now. What I want to do now, I want to show you how to combine multiple styles if you want something like that. Okay, I'm going to copy this node, and we don't need this text in here. Later on I'm going to explain why. On one place it's just enough, but now what we are going to do, we are going to add something else. Let's say we are going to combine this style with not painting but photography, and let's say vintage. Okay, this is nice, but now we need a way to combine these two text elements. And how we are going to do that? I have to expand this first. I'm going to unconnect this from here too. Going to make some space, and in here I'm going to add another node, string function tree, and in here actually I need two nodes like this. One for positive side, another for negative side. A bit more space. Okay. Now, positive prompt, first one. Positive prompt, second one. Negative prompt to second function tree. First box, and second style, negative prompt to second box of second function tree. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to collapse this in order to, no, not yet, sorry. First we need to provide output, string output to text of clip text encode, positive side and negative side. So let's check this once more. First I'm going to collapse this in order for you to follow easier. Okay, it's much easier to follow right now. So what I did in here, I have created two styles nodes. We had style of illustration, substyle fantasy, and style photography, substyle vintage. We need prompt only in one of styles, and then we connected those two styles with string function tree in order to combine those strings. With first function tree we combined a positive side or a positive text for positive prompt, and in second function tree we combined negative side. And then we provided negative side to negative text encode node, and positive side to positive text encode node. Alright, now I'm going to execute this workflow in order to see how this combination of styles is going to look like. Alright. Alright. That's it. This is the result from styles combination. And now let me explain you why this is not smart thing to do. It's basically a waste of time. It's one way to create better prompts. What this styling actually does, it combines keywords from style in order to create better prompt. In order to show you that, what I want to do now, I want to show you how this text actually look like before enters text encoding. And for that I need to expand these nodes again. I'm going to expand this second one. Alright. And now from here I'm going to take this output, and we are going to share output between text encoder and another node. Preview any. Okay, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to take negative side. All right, and now I'm going to execute this workflow once again. All right, result is not going to be important. Let me show you what we have in here. I'm going to expand this and these two. Alright, so what we got in here? We got actually all of keywords for this style, and plus we should see our prompt in here too. We have fantasy, illustration, style of two cats sitting on a car. First is playing guitar, second is playing drums, and a bunch of other keywords. Transport viewers to imaginative world, epic landscape, and so on. So basically what we are doing, we are creating prompts that are going to be provided to our text encoder, and this is, by my opinion, one total waste of time. Let me show you how you can do that much better and without complication. So I'm going to delete all of this. This is also not necessary, and I'm going to expand these encoders. If you want well-formed prompt, what you should do? Use Gemini, use DeepSeek, use ChatGPT in order to get prompt that you want. Alright, now I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask for. Alright. Okay, we have multiple options. Balanced Gothic illustration, then vintage poster style, dark fantasy Gothic, illustration with mystical element. Okay, what I want in here? Vintage poster style. I'm going to copy this, paste it, and now I'm going to ask for a negative prompt. Of course, multiple options. Let's go with instrument accuracy, because in previous cases we had problems with two guitars. Alright. And now let's check what we are going to get. Alright, let's see. And we also have problems with wrong instrument once again. So I guess that issue is with the model, not with the prompt itself. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!